Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this animated card to your WordPress website. So if I refresh this page, here we can see we have this animation for all these elements inside our card. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add this to your WordPress website. Now if you want to learn how to create this from scratch, I have a video on that. You can watch it. I will leave the link in the description of this video. And I will also leave the link of the source code so that you can just copy and paste the code to your websites. Alright, so let's get started. Right here I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website, and this is how it looks right now. This is a brand new website. Now I have opened this website locally, and I'm using this application called Local by Flywheel for hosting the websites locally. So you can just download this for free and just create a new website and just install WordPress. Right now we will add this design into a post inside our WordPress website. So let's go over here to posts and let's click on add new. And now here we can add the title of our post. So let's just type animated card. And here in the content, you have to select a type which is custom HTML. So you can just press / and then just select custom HTML from here, or you can just click on this plus icon and just search for custom HTML over here. And you can just click on that. Now here we can see we have the option of writing the HTML over here. Now here we can write HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's add the code over here. First of all, let's add the CSS. I'll just create a style tag over here. And in this style tag, we will add the CSS. So let's go to our source code. And let's go to the style.css file and let's copy all the CSS from here. So let's copy from this line of code till here. And let's paste it over here inside the style tag. And now let's paste the HTML. So let's go outside the style tag and let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the index.html file and let's copy all this HTML from here till the end of this script tag. And let's paste it over here inside our post. Now the last thing we need to add over here is the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag over here. And in the script tag, we will add the JavaScript. So let's go back to our source code and let's go to the main.js file. Now this is all the code for the animation. So we are using a library called GSAP for the animation. So let's copy all this code from here and let's paste it over here inside the script tag. And you can go ahead and change these values to change the animation duration, the ease and the properties and so on. You can learn all of this in the design video, which I will link in the description of this video. Right now if you scroll up, we can see that we are using this font called Roboto. So we need to get the link of this font as well. So let's get the link of Google Fonts. Right here I'm in fonts.google.com and you can just search for Roboto font over here and just select the font. And here we have the font. Let's select two of these styles from here. So we need to have the regular style and also the bold style. So let's scroll down and let's select the regular version, which is regular 400. And let's also select the bold version. So I think we'll select this one right here, bold 700. And if you scroll down here, we can see we have the link which we can add into the HTML. Or if you want to add it inside the CSS, you can just click on import and just copy this code and paste it in your CSS. So let's copy this from here and let's paste it over here inside the CSS. Now if you click on preview, here we can see we have the content displayed. But for the heading, we don't have the font family set. So let's go back to our HTML. And here in the CSS, we have to add the font family to the H2 as well. So here let's type font family and let's set it to Roboto and sans serif, and we'll also set the font weight to 700. Right now if you go back to the preview, here we can see we have the font displayed. Now we cannot see the image over here, so that's because if you scroll down in the HTML, here we can see we have this img tag, but here in the source we have set it to images/1.jpg, but we don't have any image called 1.jpg inside our WordPress website. So we have to first of all upload the image, get the link and paste it over here. So for that, let's go back to our dashboard. And here you have to go to media and click on add new. And here you have to upload the image. So let's click on select files and let's select the image and let's click on open. So here we can see that the image has been uploaded. So here you can click on copy URL to clipboard, or you can also click on edit. And here's the link of the image. So you can just click on copy URL to clipboard. and let's go back to our post, and let's paste the link over here instead of this link. Right now if you click on preview, here we can see that the image is being displayed, so everything is working alright. So now let's go ahead and click on publish, and publish once again, and here we can see our post has been published. So let's click on view post, and here we can see we have the animated post displayed over here, and if I refresh this page, we have the animation working alright. Now this is basically an anchor tag, so you can just add the link of any page over here. So if we edit our post, let's go back to edit post, and if you scroll down, here we can see this is the anchor tag, so you can just add the link of your page in place of this hash, and then whenever the user clicks on the button, they'll be taken to that particular page. So that's basically how you can add an animated card to your WordPress website. Alright, so that's it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description, and I will also leave the link of the design video in the description, so you can just go ahead and check that out. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.